Megan Thee Stallion, aka the Hot Girl Coach. And today I'm about to do a tutorial on how to do. Y'all know what I'm here for. Y'all know what y'all came to see. Let's get into it. Okay, no, but for real, y'all. Okay, so I'm about to do my makeup, and first it's gonna be like a cute little, you know, outside in the daytime summer look, and then it's gonna be outside at the club later that night. I'll be telling y'all I never know what I'm about to do when I do my makeup. Like I don't know what the look gonna look like. I'm just winging it. So let me decide who I wanna be. Do I wanna be pink or do I wanna be orange? I feel like I need to be relaxed. So right now I'm gonna put on some like spa music. Or maybe I should put on some smooth jazz. Hey. Okay. Now that I'm feeling sexy, this song is giving me like romantic vibes, and that's why I'm about to do like the pink. And I feel like, okay, I'm sleeping on the jazz music. Okay, I feel like I want to do this one. I feel like pink looks really good on my skin. First of all, I ain't put a nail eyebrow on. I'm just doing anything. And that's it. I'm just playing. Vibes. Okay. I be keeping these little eyebrow pencils in my bag. Cause I don't really have thin eyebrows. But when I wake up in the morning, I like to trick party like I got thick eyebrows. So I keep my pencil on the side of the bed. This one feel like, okay, I'm a criminal. I'm sneaking in the bank. I'm coming to get the money. And I like walk out like. But then the police came. And I smooth talk to the police. And they want me to have the money too. And then I get in my car and I leave. I got away with it. I feel like I do my own eyebrows so good, but I do not think I could do anybody else's eyebrows. Or if I did somebody else's makeup, I feel like I would make them up just like me. When I was in college, I thought I wanted to be a makeup artist. People start coming to my room to get their makeup done, them bitches would be leaving with a hell of a wing. I feel like eyebrows just pipe up the whole face. Like right here, it's giving like, who is that? And then over here, it's like, oh shit. Sometimes you just gotta use your fingers. Like, these utensils don't be necessary all the time. I ain't gonna lie, on days, I feel like I'm not doing nothing important. Every day is important. But on days, I feel like I'm just doing my makeup and I don't really gotta go outside. My eyebrows be coming out perfect. And then on days I gotta do something serious, I'll be like, please. So back with the light glitter pink. Do a little circle, a little semi-circle. It's so light. I just want to look like a fairy. I want to look romantic. Who calling me? Oh, it's a party. Hello.
Hey, baby girl. How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good. You looking good.
Thank you. I'm going to do this dark color. Oh, girl, these colors together are good. It's giving Valentine's Day. It's giving date.
Yeah.
Go on, bye.
Yeah, you see where that blended right there, that counts for it and all that?
I ain't even come to it.
You know how to do that.
Bye. Okay, back to this. Just blending the rosy color into the fairy pink color. I look like sugar. I look like it would be drank or ate. I want to go in on some of this brown because I like making it look like I have depth in my eyes. Hey, there we go. Now we back sexy. I don't know what that little instrument is. A little xylophone. It's like a fake cut crease. Dig in there. Dig in the socket. And I really don't want to do too much because it's the daytime, you know? Like I just came to have a little white wine. Just came to brunch. When brunch turns into shots, that's when we're gonna pipe the look up. This is giving innocent. This is giving, oh my God, you want my number? So they gonna give me your number. Come out, bring that. Put a little bit more on my lid, a little bit more of the light. I feel like she started getting lost. I couldn't see her. I just want to look like a fairy did like this with glitter. Let me use a different brush, girl. I don't know the name of no brushes. I'm not her. I just know what they look like and what they should do. What I feel like they should do. I know you see it. Girl. This was like so quick and so easy. And I just want to like blend it all together. Because we cannot have things looking patchy. I don't want to know where the makeup started and finished at. Blend, blend, blend. I need some eyeliner. This I'm gonna say it wears up to 16 hours. Okay, we're gonna see about that. I need this to last me through brunch to dinner. Okay, so this is a brown pencil because we're going with the light summer look. We're going for the brunch look. We ain't about to take them down yet, but we're reeling them in. I feel like eyeliner just gives a little edgy. I feel like eyeliner under the eyes definitely like pipes the look up and definitely like wakes your eyes up. Cause at first I felt like I was giving friendly and then now I'm giving hey. Hey baby. Okay. I do like eyeliner and eyeshadow to start creating the wing. But I'm using brown because it's still daytime. The sun is still shining. We're not getting crazy yet. I'll start my makeup with full intentions on like not giving drama. And then as I keep going, I'm like, I told y'all this before a long time ago. I do not use concealer. I just use lighter foundation underneath my eyes. I feel like concealer be cracking on me. Say crack again. And I just always like everything to go up in the sky, around my eyes. Gotta get it in that neck. Cause you do not want to look like you got on a mask. If I want to style my makeup not blended, they would not let me live. Oh my God. You saw makeup blended? Makeup is not blended. I feel like I be seeing like girls on Instagram and TikTok like doing art on their face. When they doing their contouring, they be drawing hearts, drawing clown faces. I be like, how did you get to this regularness? For me, I'm just giving a simple blue, 1, 2. I feel like over the years, I have definitely gotten 100% better at contouring my nose. I feel like I'm the only person who know how to contour my own nose. You wanna look like you just ate something sour. Okay.
Not the glove.
It's like but jazz. Lauren gave me this little ass makeup sponge. She said, you will not be doing your makeup. Better than me. Okay, now I want to go back under my eyes. Actually, I'm gonna do my inner corner with this girl. I feel like I have not showed y'all this in 10, 15 minutes. So I get with her on the inside to make that little pop. I don't know who made this up or who thought about doing this, but she to go. Like, how did you know putting the light color right there was gonna pop the whole look off? I'm gonna blend her. Okay, then I'm gonna go under my eyes with some dark brown. I gotta be a little dramatic. Oh man. They were a regular couple. So we thought. But we thought wrong. They're happy. We have to do a little finishing powder. I told y'all I do not bake, I do not do all that. I feel like that just does not come out good on my skin. So now I'm about to do my lashes. Yes. What? In the bathroom doing makeup. Then put my lashes on. Yup. Where is the tweezers? Man, I really need them. I be having to figure out what's the start and what's the finish. You want to put glue heavy, because you know we like to ride with the windows down in the summertime. Or your lashes might start giving up at brunch. You've been sweating a little bit, jamming. Love yourself because this shit got get ugly. Lash coming off, it is getting ugly. This jazz got me feeling sexy. She said, I ain't done. Come on, girl. It's like twerk for jazz. Bad bitch, savage. Bad bitch, savage. Like this eye's giving like, hey. And this one's like, hey. Hey. Okay, I always do brown liner. That's like my favorite. With like a nude middle. But I'm gonna do this little purple. Cause we're at brunch. I still do wanna do a little brown. I'm gonna go in with some lipstick. It is champagne on ice. That's what we wanted. Anyway. Like a fairy, but bottle girl. You gotta make it that in the top. I mean, because who is she? I go over everything with a clear gloss. So my clear gloss got a hint of pink in it. I put it over everything. We almost done. And right now we're gonna go in with Daybreak Glimmer. But we're gonna call it Champagne on Ice Part 2. I need him to see me before I get there, baby. Turn on all the lights. And boom, this is the summer daytime look. We're at brunch, we're having a good time. Oh, hey, drink champagne on ice. My friends, she's nice, she's sweet. She wants us sex on the beach. But now we're gonna get into the girl that wants to do say shots. But I just feel like all we gotta do for her, she just turn this into a super nighttime look. Probably just like add a little bit more under the eyes, a little bit more drama. Okay, so yeah, all we're gonna do is just go under. Got a new palette, the nighttime palette, and this is called Moonlit. They knew what type of time we was on. First we was kissing on the beach with the sun out. Now we're under the moonlight. It's time for the shots. Let's make her a little bit more dramatic. Just darken up that crease. I feel like now just you go in with like a black liner under the eyes so the girls know you ain't playing. Boom, she went from daytime to nighttime. What's up? I hope this was very helpful and informative. You don't have to do your makeup the way I do my makeup, but if it helps somebody, I'm happy. Bye.